Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Disney Speedstorm error code 2.1. The error reads, "Something went wrong. Contact us with the following code." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch or play the game, but instead of getting in, they receive this message. There is no official explanation for the cause, but based on our research, it is likely a game-side issue or an update-related problem. The first thing you should try is restarting your device. Once done, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't work, check if there are any pending updates for the game. If so, install the latest update and then relaunch the game. If the error still persists, then the issue is likely on the game's side. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. If the error does not resolve after a long time, then consider reaching out to game support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.